Hey, listen, don't ever be afraid to put your benefits smack on the cover. The direct approach works very well in the health market. Tell your prospect exactly what you're going to do for him and address his problem dead on. For example, this is for an immune boosting product. Now, there's a bunch of immune boosting products out in the market right now, especially, and that's great. I want to get their attention a little bit differently. So what do? How not to drop dead. Would that catch your attention? And my awesome designer, Rob Davis, used little sharks to represent, blood sugar problem, blood pressure problem, brain attack, heart problems, joint pain, he used that. Did it catch someone's attention? Oh yeah, it's a control right now. All right, another example. This is for the potency market. Would this get your attention? Say no more. It works. All right, so now don't ever be afraid also to just state the obvious sometimes. This product was for this was several years ago, but it was for a blood pressure product. And the recurring question that I was getting, was, it was just the same question over and over again. So I thought I'm going to put that problem right on the cover. What to do when your blood pressure just won't go down. Have you not heard people say that? I can't get my blood pressure to go down. Here's what to do for it. So make sure you use the lingo of your market. Does your market worry about vascular problems or is it poor circulation? I mean, I don't know about you, but I don't know anybody sitting around talking about vascular problems, but I know a lot of people talking about cold hands and feet and just, their circulation's not working right. Get the picture? Stick to words that the market uses every day, and that's going to give you a great chance for nailing that headline properly and addressing their problem with a direct approach.